Hey there, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to translate your designs in Canva in just a few seconds. With just a few clicks, you can make that presentation or that assignment accessible for a student of another language or for their family. So here we go. So here's a presentation that I recently created for a conference that introduces educators to artificial intelligence or generative AI. You can see that some of the slides have a bit of text, but it's not, all in all, it's not too text heavy. So let's see how this works, right? So from this slide right here, from any slide honestly, if you come up to the top, you click resize and magic switch, you'll find the translate button. From the translate button, you can pick from hundreds of languages. I can scroll down and select one, but there's also a nice search feature here. So I can search for Spanish, click it, and now notice that you can translate all pages or just a few. In this case, I'm going to translate all, and just like that, I can open this presentation that's been translated in Spanish, and I mean, oh my goodness, I'm blown away. Incredible. Now, one thing you're gonna wanna do is you'll want to check and just kind of make sure that it didn't mess up some of the graphics of your design. You can see here, some of my text is now a little off, but hey, I'll take it. This is great considering that I didn't have to have this professionally translated. Now, I dug a little deeper to see how this actually works, and Canva says that they are using advanced machine learning to translate your text, so I cannot attest to the accuracy, but from vetting this with some fluent Spanish speakers, they are quite impressed with what they see. I don't know if that works for all languages, but I do like what I see here. Some tips that Canva suggests are to use short and simple sentences, avoid slang terms and idioms, provide context in your writing when possible, use punctuation correctly, break down long sentences, and avoid unnecessary line breaks in your presentation. So that will help as they translate your designs. All right, I appreciate you checking out this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and I hope this helps you make your designs more accessible for your students.